I'm Angela Fairhurst, founder of Geri-Gadgets,
a new approach to dementia care and neurodivergent support. Inspired by my personal journey caring for my mother with dementia, I developed patented medical-grade silicone tools that support loved ones, reduce anxiety, and create meaningful moments without medication. Geri-Gadgets come in 3 SafeTouch silicone buckets with activities like flower arranging, shape sorting, and tactile fidgets, with more in development. Each bucket is made to soothe and calm, foster connection and communication, even in nonverbal or difficult situations. Our tools are non-toxic, mouth-safe, bath-safe, and dishwasher-safe, designed to promote engagement and improve the quality of life while giving caregivers a break from constant supervision. Discover how our sensory kits support individuals with dementia, autism, ADHD, rehab, and other developmental or cognitive differences. Visit Geri-Gadgets.com to learn more and make every moment count.